Welcome to the Skilled MBA Marketing Case Study Series. At Skilled MBA, we analyze real-world business dilemmas where strategic clarity and market adaptation are key to resilience and growth. Today's case features Shearling Skins Pvt Ltd. Ltd, a premium brand in the corporate furniture segment now facing declining sales and increasing pressure from both unorganized vendors and large industry players. Key strategic insights include reassessing the company's value proposition in a price-sensitive and fragmented market, exploring differentiation strategies to defend premium positioning, evaluating strategic pivots such as product line extensions, B2C channels, or collaborative ventures, balancing brand heritage with the need for innovation and scale. This case offers a sharp look at navigating saturation, sustaining brand equity, and regaining competitive edge in a challenging industry landscape. In April 2022, director Puneet Singh Sira confronts a pivotal challenge as Shearling Skins Pvt Ltd faces declining sales. Despite its premium reputation, the company is squeezed by unorganized vendors and large industry players, necessitating a strategic market reassessment. Shearling Skins Pvt Ltd excels in craftsmanship, known for its meticulous attention to detail and superior woodworking techniques, ensuring exceptional quality. Their design innovation blends contemporary elegance with functional workplace needs. This has solidified their premium positioning in the high-end corporate furniture market, appealing to discerning clientele. Shearling must evaluate its marketing mix to align with evolving market dynamics. Assessing the brand's positioning is crucial to ensure it resonates with target customers. Exploring business-to-business segmentation can enhance market reach. A robust competitive strategy is essential for sustainable differentiation in the high-end corporate furniture segment. Shearling faces competition from premium specialists focusing on quality and design, large industry players with scale and brand recognition, unorganized vendors offering customization at lower prices, and import competitors introducing foreign design aesthetics with premium pricing. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for Shearling's strategic positioning. Shearling's marketing mix focuses on premium corporate furniture with superior craftsmanship and distinctive design. Their pricing strategy is premium, with limited discounts, posing price sensitivity challenges. Showroom presence is limited, relying on direct business-to-business sales and underutilized distribution channels. Promotion is traditional, with minimal digital marketing and brand storytelling, relying heavily on word of mouth. Business-to-business segmentation offers diverse opportunities. Industry-based segments like information technology and finance have unique furniture needs. Company size impacts decision-making and volume requirements. Workspace function demands specialized solutions for executive, collaborative, and operational areas. Design philosophy varies from traditional to modern, creative, and sustainable aesthetics. Tailoring strategies to these segments can enhance market penetration and customer satisfaction. Shearling's differentiation strategy hinges on superior quality and design, yet struggles with clear communication. The premium pricing is pressured by large players offering adequate quality at lower prices and unorganized vendors offering customization. Strategic options include focused differentiation for specific industries, value differentiation emphasizing sustainability, and innovation leadership to pioneer new workspace concepts. Shearling must refine its positioning by identifying a unique value proposition that distinguishes it from competitors. This involves translating craftsmanship into tangible benefits like durability and aesthetics, targeting specific customer pain points in workspace solutions, and developing emotional connections that elevate the brand beyond functional attributes. This case study enables a deep dive into optimizing the 4 Ps in business-to-business contexts, illustrating how focused differentiation fosters sustainable competitive advantage. It explores effective business-to-business segmentation techniques for corporate furniture markets and highlights the critical role of positioning in shaping comprehensive marketing strategies. Refine positioning by clarifying the unique value proposition through customer research and competitive analysis. Develop compelling brand messaging for target segments. Implement a focused differentiation strategy targeting 2 to 3 high-potential industry segments with specific marketing approaches. Transition from product provider to workspace solution partner by integrating services like design consultation and workspace optimization. Economic slowdowns and rising costs challenge Shearling's margins, while evolving workspace trends and digital expectations demand adaptation. Internally, resistance to segment focus, limited marketing capabilities, and production inflexibility hinder progress. Effective metrics are crucial to evaluate new positioning strategies. Shearling's success hinges on selecting high-potential business-to-business segments that align with its strengths. A distinctive value proposition is crucial to stand out from premium and low-cost competitors. Enhancing digital capabilities is essential to engage modern business-to-business buyers. Implementing clear key performance indicators will measure strategic effectiveness and guide data-driven adjustments. This case study is perfect for students in marketing strategy, entrepreneurship, or competitive positioning, offering real-world insights. Entrepreneurs can gain guidance on market positioning, while consultants benefit from frameworks for differentiation strategies. Marketing professionals will enhance their understanding of business-to-business dynamics and develop impactful positioning strategies. Skilled MBA offers a dynamic approach to business strategy education, focusing on real-world case studies and practical frameworks. Our mission is to cultivate strategic thinking by immersing students and professionals in authentic business challenges. Thank you for engaging with this strategic transformation case from Skilled MBA. We hope Shearling Skins Pvt Ltd. Ltd's scenario inspired you to think critically about competitive repositioning and market adaptability. For more real-world strategy, branding, and business turnaround case studies, connect with us. Mobile +91 875 5300795 email. support@skilledmba.com website //skilledmba.com/